Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the headset is physically connected and powered. This rules out basic faults fast. Once done, plug into a different USB or 3.5 port and try another cable to eliminate a bad connector. Next, open Windows Settings, go to System and then Sound to see if the device appears. If the headset shows but is not selected, choose it as default. These initial checks separate hardware problems from software ones and get you ready for driver and system fixes. Now focus on drivers and system recognition. Open Device Manager and find your headset under Audio Inputs and Outputs or Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click to update driver or uninstall, then scan for hardware changes to force reinstallation. If Windows drivers fail, download and install the manufacturer's Windows 11 driver. This often restores functionality. Also run the built-in troubleshooters for recording audio and playing audio. They can apply registry and configuration fixes automatically. Make sure Bluetooth. Finish by verifying privacy and default settings. Open Privacy and Security Microphone and ensure apps can access it, because blocked permissions make a headset invisible to applications. Then, use the sound control panel to set the headset as the default device and adjust levels and formats under Properties. If problems persist, restart Windows Audio Services or perform a clean boot to isolate software conflicts. One key tip: if all else fails, test the headset on another PC to confirm whether your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.